Hey everyone, how's it going? So really quickly, I wanted to make this video about why I think Uber and Lyft could be ending within the next 12 months. I just wanted to make this argument on my page and really honestly start a debate. So hop into the comments and let me know your thoughts. Please argue with me or disagree with me because obviously, you know, I don't have a magic ball, but I personally do believe that Uber and Lyft, I think their stocks are gonna tank. I don't wanna like talk too much about stocks, but I think that it's gonna be the end of Uber and Lyft very, very soon. So if you're driving Uber or you plan to drive Uber for the next 2, 3, 4 years, I would really think twice. I'm personally starting a new business right now on TikTok Shop. I don't know if you guys have heard about TikTok Shop. Everybody's hitting me up about TikTok Shop. I'm helping 3 of my decently good friends start up their own TikTok Shop brands because I started my own TikTok Shop brand. It's free to sign up on TikTok and everything. But literally yesterday I made over $1,000 and I'm not even joking. I can show you the screenshot. And I'm doing so well. I actually hit my order limit yesterday because they're promoting my products for me. And it's, yeah, I don't know if you could see that, but anyways, I got 37 orders yesterday. That was April 28th, you can see, and over $1,000. So I'm personally doubling down on TikTok Shop right now because, you know, I just think it's doing super well. So I personally believe that that's just the best way to make money right now. And I have a link below teaching you guys how to set one up if you'd like to join TikTok Shop as well. And it's like a 45-minute video linked below. You can sign up and the first 100 people get free access, free trial. So check that out. So personally, why I think Uber and Lyft is gonna end is simply because Tesla is creating their own rideshare app. I don't know if you guys have seen the Tesla rideshare screenshots that they've shared, but they actually did share these screenshots of what the app looks like. So they are ready to launch this thing, guys. And I believe they're calling it the Cyber app, I believe is what they're calling it. Cyber app. And they're launching it in August in about 3 months, sorry. They're launching it in about 3 months, guys. And it's gonna be full self-driving Teslas, I believe. This is my idea. I'm actually renting a Tesla right now. And they are allowing every single Tesla right now that has the capability, the software built in or the hardware built in to allow for this, to access full self-driving. So they're getting all the data from every single Tesla out there that's doing full self-driving to, you know, improve their data and their AI and everything. So I believe, this is my prediction, guys, that they're gonna launch this app, the Tesla app. I think it's gonna break the internet. I personally, it would prefer getting a Tesla every time I order, and it's gonna be cheaper than Uber. Imagine this, your passengers, are they gonna prefer to get an old beat up Toyota Prius where the car stinks? And I've gotten into a lot of dirty cars, or it's hit or miss. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. Or would you rather get a Tesla and it's cheaper? And keep in mind, probably for the first year, it's gonna be full self-driving, but I'm assuming there's gonna be a driver still. And if you have a Tesla, you can probably make money with this. And I'm assuming they're gonna have a supervised driver at first to get everybody used to it, but it's gonna be full self-driving because right now, you can do full self-driving, it just has to be supervised full self-driving. You have to keep your hands on the wheel still. So in 3 months, guys, Tesla's launching this thing. Elon Musk already shared, he said on August 8th, it's coming out, and they already shared the screenshots of what the app looks like. Oh, and by the way, the passengers can control the temperature of the car in the app as well. They can literally just scroll down and adjust the temperature to their liking. It's like way more sophisticated. Teslas drive way smoother than, you know, I mean, I've been taking Ubers and Lyfts a lot because I don't currently own a car. I sold my car, and so now I'm testing out cars. I'm probably gonna buy a Tesla. I'm renting a Model S right now. I rented a Model 3. Basically, I'm deciding right now between, do I wanna get I wouldn't buy a new one, but I'm gonna get a slightly used Tesla Model 3 with like 20,000 miles on it or 30,000 miles on it. And it would be like a 2022 or 2023. Or would I buy a 2017 or 2018 model Tesla Model S with more like, probably around like 50, 60, 70,000 miles on it. And they're about the same price. So I'm not gonna buy a new Model S. No way, Jose. Those things are like 50, 60, 70 grand plus for the newer ones. I still wouldn't buy brand new. But anyways, I love the car. The Teslas are so nice. And what I was saying is I've been taking Ubers and Lyfts around town because my town has a partnership with Lyft where we can basically take subsidized Lyfts. It's like built into our city budget. So all my rides are $2 each. The driver still makes the full amount. But anyways, that's the reason why I don't have a car, and I'm just like, well, I can just Uber or Lyft around right now. And there's so many cars. I mean, what is it? The other day I got into, it was like a 2008, like, I don't even remember what car it was, but I got in, it smelled so bad. It was so like janky inside. I was like, and then the other day I got a car and it was like a new Mazda. So it's like, it's hit or miss for sure. But if I can just order it through the Tesla app, I always get a Tesla. And it's like, it's always gonna be nice. You know it's always gonna be nice. Unless on a wild occasion that it's like dirty inside. But Tesla owners love their cars. They keep their cars so clean and the ride so smooth. I don't know. I just really think that people are gonna start taking this Tesla rideshare app. And I really think long term, keep in mind, Elon Musk, he's the richest guy in the world, guys. He has unlimited money. He funds his own projects. He funds Twitter. He funded the purchase of Twitter. He bought his Tesla. Tesla's taking over the car industry. They really shook things up. And they're going after different industries, right? They're going after AI now. They're going after, they have SpaceX. They have the Boring Company. They're building tunnels. They're taking over Wi-Fi. You can now get Wi-Fi like in Antarctica through his Starlink. It's like Elon Musk, whatever he does, he's not just gonna, I'm gonna try this out and see if it works. It's like, he has a plan to dominate this field. And I would be willing to bet money that Tesla is going to be #1 over Uber and Lyft. And I think Uber and Lyft are slowly gonna fade out. That's basically what I think. I think Uber and Lyft is slowly gonna fade out. And I think our world, this is really gonna shake up our world, because you're gonna start seeing a lot more people buying Teslas simply because now they can rent them out to do ride sharing. Like right now, let's say I owned a Tesla while I'm sitting here working. My Tesla could be out and about giving rides all day, and I'm just boom, got $20 there, boom, got $10 there, boom, $8 there, $5 here, all day long. Are you serious? People are gonna, how people are like, oh, boom, people are kind of dumb with money. I think people are gonna justify spending 40 grand on a car so that they can make $100 a day renting it out. It's honestly not a horrible idea if that's like a long-term plan, but I don't know. That's just me. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know what you think about that. And again, if you want to join my new group down below, TikTok Shop, I'm ecstatic about this, where I'm already I'm working on this every day already, because I wake up and I get orders. So I'm making money while I sleep, and so I'm really excited about this. I've only been doing it for 3 weeks, just full transparency, but if you want to kind of join along with me while I grow my page, again, yesterday I made my highest earnings day ever. It's only 10 a.m., so we'll see how much I get today. I've already gotten a few orders, but yesterday, 37 orders and over $1,000. And I'm selling women's clothing. So there's tons of different things you can sell. I'm probably gonna set up another shop in 2 weeks after I kind of get this one up and running. What I really want to do is get this one up and running. My plan is to hire somebody to kind of run it for me, pay them to help like make all the videos and stuff. That way I can focus on setting up a new shop, then hire somebody out to do that. That's kind of my plan with TikTok Shop. And again, I have a link below. Right now it's $4.99 per month to join my group, but you can get a free 7-day trial for the first 100 people who join. And then I'm gonna raise the price for sure. I just wanted to make it super low right now just to allow people, you know, see how it works. Obviously it's new, so it's not gonna be perfect, and I still haven't set up the Discord yet, but that should be getting set up today. So then we'll be really taking over, because we're gonna be sharing each other's screen, sharing links, and hey, I just set up my TikTok shop. Boom, imagine 1,000 people in Discord, everyone goes and follows you. And boom, your TikTok shop all of a sudden skyrockets up, and TikTok's, you know, recommending, because the thing is, you can start a brand new page, you don't need to show your face, and you're just, you know, selling these products on TikTok shop, and boom, you get interaction and boom from the group chat, and all of a sudden TikTok, your products are getting recommended to people, and it's just on autopilot after that. It's like, I honestly could probably stop making videos on this page and still get sales every day, because I don't really even get that many views. Like my views are getting like 200 views each, and I'm getting like, you know, thousands of dollars of sales. So I don't think the sale, like I know the sales aren't coming just from my videos. I know TikTok's starting to push my videos out because I kind of hit the algorithm. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point. If you're done with Uber or Lyft, comment down below if you would do a Tesla either as a passenger or as a driver, or as like a Tesla owner with Robotaxi. I'm so excited to see how this works and how we can make money with the Tesla thing. And I'm most likely gonna buy a Tesla, so I will definitely rent it out on my channel too for videos. So make sure you're subscribed. All right guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.